What is going on today, guys? We are recording more photos of the BMW this time, and once again I'm hanging out the back of Jake's car. It's such a bad idea that's so good.
But
camera.
Well, the brake pedal then goes down once I turn it on.
Yeah, it was kind of...
And the pedals are incredibly close.
Yes, they are.
These windows here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Same deal as last time, 30, all directy with my hands.
Okay. I'll try my absolute best to not hurt this. That's first. So first, second, third,
Yep.
fourth, fifth, and there is no sixth.
There is no sixth. It's a 5.
Why is that so loose?
Because it's from 1980.
Yeah.
7 something. All right.
Finding reverse again.
Slam it. Slam it. That's reverse. Okay.
Okay.
You want to do this?
I think so.
I've upgraded your chamber.
Ooh, you've upgraded my chamber.
I did upgrade it.
Let's go.
If you fall backwards and it has stability.
Cool.
So you have your wall.
I have my wall.
But behind it, I've set up the table leg so that it actually has something to like fall back and
solid
stick to.
Okay. Can I reach it? Oh. Jake, can you press the start button on the... It's just the button on the top.
I'm gonna do everything
right there.
in my power not to
Yeah.
stall this either.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
All right, we're just going south again.
Yeah, just south out of here. And just right up to 30. We gotta wait up, Caden. Caden doesn't know where second is.
Oh, okay. All right, there's gonna be a white truck. So I gotta get over pretty quick.
Yeah, you can get over.
Tell Jake to come back.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Alright, hold 30. Hold 30.
Okay, you can get back over now.
Alright, pull him back into the school.
Yeah, you can pull it this way. I think those are... I didn't die. It's hot in there.
It's hot in here.
We're fine.
You're 18, you're on your own.
Yep,
So if you get a ticket, you can't afford to drive that anymore.
that is true.
And I'm the one that's just driving normally, staying on the correct side of the road.
Cool. Yeah, let's grab the ones in here real quick.
Okay, we're gonna go down to that entrance, so then you have a little bit of straightaway there. to
Yeah.
take Pictures too.
Jake's trying to...
We got the window shopping so that, you know.
Okay.
You know that thing you said about the AC not working?
Yeah.
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 You found second. Whenever you're ready. So stay on this side, stay on the correct side. Roll.
Holy oven.
So hot, he's like, Alright, do you want me on the parking lot side?
Yeah, parking lot side.
Speeding up.
Cool. Now you just turn it here. See if any of those turned out. You dying in there?
Yes. This is a blast to drive though.
It's fun. It's just,
So fun. It's just, you have to drive with the windows down.
yep. But with photos, you don't want the windows down.
Right.
Alright, we all got the same story, right?
Yep.
Alright.
My fault.
Yep.
Does this guy have
He told us he wanted to do it and he dragged us along, so.
See, I was just driving along, he ran up into my trunk,
Uh-huh.
and he just started hanging out.
Cool.
high school top gear?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
basically.
Exactly.
Pretty much.
That's what I do is I drive cars and I give people ideas.
That's dangerous. Can we get the security camera footage for 3:45 p.m.? I'm gonna take some photos here. See you guys.
See ya.
I saw that.
No, it's the clutch. The clutch is so light.
He stalled it twice. All right. I'm going to grab. Oh, geez, Caden's shorter than me. At least he doesn't have long legs. That's good. I'm gonna get some regular photos of this just for my uncle and for my own. Alright, I think that is all of the photos I want to get. It is stinking hot out here. It is 4 o'clock. I'm going to go home. I think that's about it though, so I'm going to wrap it up here. So if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My question for you guys today is, what's the stupidest thing you've done in your car with your friends? But until next time, goodbye.